Today, I'm here to tell you that your frustrations can be managed step by step. And not everyone knows how to manage frustration well. It's not taught in schools, though it should be. And a lot of time, we don't see good examples. And even if you're among the fortunate few who grew up around people who never seem frustrated, chances are we never learned how to channel our frustration into something positive or good. Managing frustration isn't impossible. So stay with me to hear about these 5 essential tips that will help you keep your cool, even in the most frustrating of circumstances. So breathe, and I will be right back. In my last video, I spoke about reducing your daily frustrations in 8 steps. If you missed it, I have included the link below so you can watch it next. So reducing frustration is one thing, but how do you really manage it? In managing your frustration, it's important first, take a step back. The smartest thing you should do when feeling frustrated is to take a step back. Breathe. Don't react. Take a minute to distance yourself from the situation so that you can ask, what just happened? And then try to figure out an answer. By stepping outside of the situation, you can see things more objectively. Ask if there are pros and cons to the situation, and then you're going to remind yourself if you've been here before and if you've gotten out of it unscratched. Even if this is new territory for you, chances are it wasn't for someone else. So just remind yourself you will survive this challenge. If you are new to this channel, my name is Genese Smith, and I'm a registered nurse and a transformational life coach. And I want to take this time just to share what I'm learning now about how we can be empowered in different areas of our lives, no matter what our circumstances are. It is my joy to encourage you to step out in confidence, knowing that you are unique and special, and you're fearfully and wonderfully made. The next thing that will help you tremendously is to embrace the emotion and then let go. When you're frustrated, you're pulling a lot of emotion into the situation. Your first reaction might be to suppress these feelings. So rather than pushing down and trying to ignore them, just take the time to identify what you're feeling and then allow yourself to feel it before letting go. So in these cases, we have to consciously give ourselves that permission, because so many times we tell ourselves, I should not be feeling this way. But you are to embrace it and then let it go. And that keeps emotions from controlling the situation. And very important, next step, you should act when calm. So when you think you're outside the emotions and able to act rationally, do just that. Act rationally. So you should make all decisions from your logical self, not the emotional one. The goal is to respond to a frustrating situation, not to react. My next point is that you identify what you wanted in the first place. Frustrations tend to happen when you're not getting something you want. So the question is, what triggered this frustration? Was this a want or a need? If it's a want, is it practical or reasonable? Or is this something you need to let go? So before I get to my next point, have you subscribed to this channel as yet? make sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to be notified of our new upload. So what's the next step? Make a choice. In the end, frustration only leaves you with two choices. One, accept the status quo, even if it's painful. Or two, change the situation to ease the frustration. Decide which it's going to be. If you're going with the status quo, you have to accept the frustration as being part of this decision and learn to live with it or let it go. Managing frustration isn't hard so long as you can stay out of the emotions of the moment. So keep a handle on yourself and just take the time to think things through. Then act as needed. T.F. Hodge said, to conquer the frustration, one must remain intensely focused on the outcome, not the obstacles. I don't know what your frustrations are and what you're facing today and what you will face today. But remember, managing frustration is possible. So go ahead and do it now. Thanks for joining.